Hi, in this video we are going to learn that how we can export and import any subdrawing. So subdrawing is something like small section of any layout, and if I want to utilize this small section layout in any other layout, so how can I do it? So I want to export as a subdrawing not only component but also the layout, the copper patch and the trace. So for that just go to file, export, subdrawing, and here you have to select preserve reference, preserve net, shape, preserve nets of via. So via, shape, trace, everything will be preserved. And now go to find, you can say that the option already selected, so just drag it whatever section you want to import or export, just select. It is selected. Now just give the xy coordination 27 37 x y space y 2700 3700. Just enter. Here is the name. I'm giving this name 3. Save it. It is done. Now delete this section. And since while importing the same reference designation will not take, so that's why I want to delete this component and layout. Select all. Just ignore nets, otherwise nets also will be deleted. It's deleted. Done. Now import it. File, import, subdrawing, select 3 and enter the XY coordination 3700. Just enter. Here you can see that along component, nets and via, trace, copper shape, everything is just imported. This is how you can utilize in any layout. So just you have to take care that the reference designation and net should be same in other layout also.